How to add close friends on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now here on your homepage, what you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see a 5 options there. You'll see home, you see search, plus icon, the reels, and of course your profile. Tap on your profile there and it will lead you to your profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do to add close friends is on the upper right, you will see 3 dash lines there, the menu. Tap on that, and here you will see a lot of options. But I want you to focus on and look for close friends. So on the bottom part, you'll see close friends there. Tap on close friends, and here you will see all the friends that you have, all the accounts that you follow, and here you will be able to choose the or select the people or the accounts that you want to add to your close friends. For example, this. So all you have to do is to tap on here specific people. Now, if you don't want to add that person, what you want to do is to just toggle the or uncheck that and then tap on done. And basically, you have successfully added close friends on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.